All right, so I've had a couple of requests about the installation of the WinLink system in my mobile. First, what you're looking at is a mobile phone. It has no cell service. I just use it to connect wirelessly to the Raspberry Pi. This cable that you see coming out of it has nothing to do with the WinLink service. It is going into this radio right up here, and that actually runs the APRS system that I also have installed in my mobile. Right over here, I've got a 857D. I've just got the head mounted up above my mirror there. The base of the unit sits underneath the driver's seat. And then right up here, maybe a little hard to see, we'll do the best we can though here. Right there is the Raspberry Pi. You can see the little blue light on it. There, that is a mesh unit, an Arden mesh unit. So when I'm at home, it'll connect up to my mesh, and I can connect to the WinLink Pi system through the mesh. So if I need to do any updates or upgrades or changes or anything like that, I can do all that from my main PC upstairs. But that's the way I've got it mounted up in the mobile. And then on the back, I've got the little Tar Heel 2 that I'm running for my HF. And then I believe a Larson up on the front for my 2 meter. But that's the way it's mounted up in the Jeep. If you got any more questions, leave them in the comments.